Daria and today I'm going to be interviewing Urvashi Rautela.
Thank you.
You can ask me a question first.
Oh, okay. So, tell me about your training, like where all you did your training and everything.
Well, the first interview that I ever did was with Bacha, and I just read up a lot of information about him, and then I just started writing down questions depending on what he does. So, like for example, I want to know about him, so I just write down the questions, and then he answers them.
Okay. Cool. Let's go.
Okay, so how does it feel to be the first Indian to win Miss Tourism Queen of the Year?
Oh wow, it was fabulous. Like a feeling which I can, really can't explain in
Yeah,
words.
like sometimes when maybe if you win a race, then you feel amazing. Like you feel that feeling that you cannot explain.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, like that feeling.
Yeah, because I was like the first Indian to win that competition. It was international level competition, and I was only 17, and I did not expect to win the competition. So that's why I really
That
loved
must
it.
have felt amazing.
Yes, exactly.
I like to sing, draw, and paint. What are your most favorite hobbies?
My favorite hobbies is like chatting with you. Like I find you really intelligent,
Thank you.
and I think you're kind of, you're so attractive. I'm just so enjoying having my conversation with you right now.
Thank you. My hobbies are, I like singing, and well, I also like talking with you.
Are you copying me?
No,
Okay.
I like talking with you.
Thank you.
I love acting, and I have my own YouTube channel.
Okay.
To me, it's really fun. But how come you want to become an actress?
I did not plan to become an actress. I think I'm an accidental actress. I really wanted to win Miss Universe India, which I ended up winning twice. Like I'm the only girl in the history to win Miss
my
Universe India
God.
twice. So yeah, I did not plan out things to be, but there are certain things which I did in my life which was, completely not unexpected. And
Oh, like for example, if you're just walking on an ordinary day and then you just trip on a rock, like unexpected.
yeah, something like that. Yeah.
Oh, so like that.
Yeah, like that.
That kind of coincidence.
Yeah.
What category of movie do you like to act in? For example, I like adventure movies like Jumanji.
Okay. I like action films, like Catwoman, Batman, something like that.
Oh, like superhero movies, like
Yeah, superhero.
action.
Yes.
Like when they're in action and they're villains and criminals. Speaking of action and superheroes, what's your favorite superhero?
My favorite superhero is Spider-Man.
Oh, my favorite superhero is Wonder Woman and Supergirl.
Yes, that's great.
I've noticed you wear many different types of clothing, but what types of clothing do you like to wear the most out of all
What
of them?
type of clothing you like me in the most? Like, because you saw me wearing so many clothes. Which clothes, like which outfit, you think I look the best in?
Well, maybe jumpsuits and dresses.
Choose one.
Okay, jumpsuits. Because I love this on you. And neon goes a lot with your hair and your earrings and everything you're wearing right now.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
Yeah, those are all the questions.
Oh wow, that was such a cool and such a unique interview I've ever done.
Thank you.
And yeah, I'm so happy. This was your interview?
Yeah,
I think it was a normal, we were just like chatting.
yeah. Thank you so much for your
So
time.
much. I love your hair. Please share some, your hair rituals. What do you do to maintain such good hair?
Okay, I can tell you right now. Almond oil. Yeah, every single time before I have a head bath, I always put almond oil and then let it be for 10 minutes. And then I just have a bath.
Okay, and where do you live?
Bangalore.
Bangalore.
Yeah.
Okay. Where were you born?
I was born in Bombay. Yeah.
What's your school name?
My school name's Canadian International School, Bangalore.
So are you going to school because it's like a lockdown?
No, we're not going to school physically, but when the school opens, we're going to be sitting in the gardens while doing school. So we're not locked up in one classroom.
It's great. All the best.
Yeah. Hopefully you enjoyed.